Today, we celebrate Saint Benedict. It's unfortunate that no contemporary biography was written of a man who has exercised measureless influence on monasticism in the West. Benedict was born around 480 into a distinguished family in central Italy, studied at Rome, and early in life was drawn to the monastic life. After spending several years in a cave high in the mountains, he had the idea of gathering various families of monks into one grand monastery. He began to build what was to become one of the most famous monasteries in the world, Monte Cassino. The religious rule that gradually emerged was based on a life of liturgical prayer, study, manual labor, and living in community under a common father known as the abbot. Emphasis was placed on moderation and concern for neighbors living outside the monastery and the surrounding countryside. During the Middle Ages, all monasticism in the West was gradually brought under the rule of Saint Benedict. The feast of Benedict's sister, Saint Scholastica, is celebrated February 10th. The Church has been blessed through Benedictine devotion to the liturgy, not only in its actual celebration with rich and proper ceremony in the great abbeys, but also through the scholarly studies of many of its members.